Let's start by saying that I'm not an affiliate, I'm not promoting shit, I'm not doing nothing, I'm just trying to help. Okay, so in nowadays, in case your physical body gets a little bit torn apart, you just have to cope with your internal chemistry. All right, I can give you the blueprint on how you can heal without complaining or and getting ready for the day that comes. It doesn't matter if it's rain, if it snows, you do have the possibility to stay strong and endure whatever comes your way. Just think about that the universe will always protect you, guide you. You just have to trust yourself, take your herbs, drink your tea, and succeed with whatever comes. They say that the environment dictates your mission, but in the Survival 2.0, we dictate the response. Yeah, look at this torn ligament, courtesy of removing the snow using machinery. In the old world, this was a reason to stop, to sit on the couch and wait for the healing to happen. But nowadays, we don't have that luxury anymore. When the physical gear isn't enough and your body takes a hit, you have to pivot to the one thing you can still control, your body chemistry. Welcome back. My name is Giri, and today we are going deep in what I called a biological shield. I'm not talking about only nutrition, it's about your body biological defense that can be built with care and attention. A tactical internal defense. I'm going to show you the exact protocol which I'm using right now to repair my tissue and suppress the inflammation. And of course, keep my metabolic fire burning. If you want to dominate your environment and not just enduring it, you need to build your shield from inside out. So let's get into the science and how we could do that, right? Now let's go into the mechanics of the 2.0 defense. I'm calling it the blood shield. So when you have a physical trauma like this torn ligament of mine, your body is in a high alert of inflammation. That of course is a natural response of the body, but if you don't manage it, it becomes an obstacle to your mission. So let's start with the anchor. This is black cumin oil. This is not just a trendy supplement store or whatever. This is an ancient tactical tool. So the engine inside this bottle, it's a compound name tinoquinol. So think of it as a peacekeeper. While my hand is trying to send distress signals to my brain, this compound takes that response and modulates it. It's not just about the pain. It's not only for stopping the pain. It's about optimizing the environment so the tissue can actually bridge the gap and heal. But the shield, it's only as good as its secondary layer. And that's where the oregano comes in. Sadly, most people think of this as only a kitchen spice or herb. In the Survival 2.0, we see oregano as a concentrated source of carvacrol. So, if the thymoquinone is the peacekeeper, carvacrol is the firefighter. It's a potent antimicrobial and immune booster. When your body is busy repairing a ligament, your immune system cannot afford to be distracted by outsiders' pathogen, by external pathogens. Yeah, so this is my tactical filter. It ensures my internal resources are 100% focused on reconstructions and not fighting a winter cold or something else. So to take those, you just simply have to make a tea of oregano and simply take your cumin oil, just stress it a little bit. I usually take a sip directly from the bottle, but just for the sake of you guys, I'll do this. And just throw it inside your throat. And there you go. I want to be clear what I am sharing this. This world nowadays is full of these individuals that they are, I know, trying to sell you the miracle cure for everything that you may want to fix in your body. I'm just showing you a simple process for your body chemistry, which I am actually living right now in a Norwegian winter. I'm not getting paid for showing you these specific products though. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I show them because if you understand the science of how your blood can be shielded, you became harder to kill and more useful to your tribe. This is about total health independence. You are not just surviving, you are upgrading your hardware while your body deals with the hardware. Alright? Just keep your focus straight on your body, your mind, and spirit. And never forget you are never alone. Whatever the fuck you are doing, you are never, never alone. The universe will protect you and guide you. But He will do that only if He sees that you are taking care of your vessel. So at this point, we secure the blood shield for healing. But now we have to talk about the engine. When you are out in the snow or just dealing with the friction of a long day, your metabolism, it's your internal furnace. If that fire goes out, your energy drops, your focus fades, and you become a victim of your environment. I use two simple tools to keep my fire burning. First, it's cayenne pepper. You do not need a medical degree to understand this. Your body feels it. It's what we call the thermogenic. It literally forces your body to generate heat from inside out. When I'm taking this, it's like telling to my body, please burn fuel right at this fucking point. It wakes up the blood and moves everything into my extremity, which is vital when you are dealing with an injury, like me, for example. But a fire needs a log to burn, or it just flares up and dies. That's why I am pairing that heat with coconut oil. It has to be 100% organic. Just look on the backside. Make sure that it has zero sugars. It has to be 100% organic. Think of this as a high fuel for your furnace. So the cayenne pepper, in mixing with the coconut oil, it will make something amazing in your body. It is packed with healthy fats, and your body doesn't have to process the efforts to struggle and break down. The liver can grab this energy and use it instantly for your brain and muscles. I learned this through the friction of my own life. I'm not a scientist. I'm not whatever the fucking PhDs you may think people have to show these kinds of products. They are things that helped me go through some processes you don't want to know or hear about it. Believe me. I'm a man who had to figure out how to stay standing when things got cold and difficult. When you combine the spark of the cayenne pepper with the fuel of the coconut oil, you are not just eating. You are providing your body with a high vibration power that stays with you for several hours just with a spoon of a coconut oil. Let me do it right now, fuck sakes, man. Just like this. And simply use the cayenne pepper into your tea. Just take with the tail of your spoon some cayenne pepper and just drop it into your tea. Alright? It's simple enough, man. If you cannot control what you are putting in your mouth, what can you control other than that? This is how I'm protecting my physique, my mind, and my spirit in many kind of situations. I'm providing those information to you because I want to make you understand that you can feel better and protect your mind, your body, only with the things you have in the kitchen. You don't need to see a pharmacy in years. You don't need expensive gear. You just need some patience and start doing what is best for your body. A good strategy. Build your fire, keep your engine clean, and never let the environment dictate your energy or mood or whatever the fuck you are willing to call it. Just believe that you are part of the universe and you'll always be protected as long as you take care of your vessel. Once you stop taking care of your vessel, everything will go to fuck. I can assure you. I spend time every day studying the mind because if your head isn't right, then the most expensive and I know most common herbs will never help you to get out from that darkness. I was actually not being able to post a video on YouTube because I didn't knew how. My only connection with YouTube is to pay my monthly subscription just to go around the ads and just look at documentaries of I don't know things that make me grow every day. I'm also reading some of the books which I very recommend. This is The Art of Worldly Wisdom. It's a pocket book that will help you so much in responding to triggers and provocations. You also have The Social Choice and Individual Values will make you a respectful son of a bitch in the community. And of course, Think and Grow Rich. I'm not sponsored. I'm not an affiliate or something like that. I'm just trying to help people to see that uh, the physical is not only that exists. You have to build your mind and keep your vessel clean. I got lucky with this artificial intelligence nowadays because actually this Gemini helped me step by step in how to uh, open the YouTube studio, how to put my videos in and so on. Sometimes he does me some kind of scripts, but I'm not following them entirely because they are so robotically doing it. But I'm so appreciating this kind of technology because it helps us get together and I don't know, provide value to the world. And if this video provided value, please click that like, not for me, it's just for the algorithm to push this video forward for some people that they may struggling and they may really need it. Other than that, peace out. This mission has been finished and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of your vessel, man, and trust yourself.